What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am super excited to show you some of the slimes that we have today. Unfortunately, I was not able to show you every single slime that we're going to be restocking because we were super behind schedule. My brother just got married this week, so it was a little hectic for us. But here is the official restock list. I normally don't post a restock list on the actual restocking video because I show you. However, like I said, I wasn't able to film every single slime, so anything you see with a star is actually new to the shop. If you don't see it here in the restock video, then you'll probably see it later on in my Instagram, so make sure that you are following me at Unicorn Slime Shop. When the shop goes live at 6 p.m. Central, there will definitely be pictures live on the website of each of the slimes so you can see what you are buying. Either way, I'm really excited for this restock and I hope that you love the slimes. At the end of the video, I'm also going to show you a couple of squishies that I'm going to be giving away courtesy of Smushy Mushy. So if you want to find out how to get some premium extras in your order, then make sure you keep on watching. I'm also going to be placing some random coupon codes so that you all can get some discounts for the shop, and it's just gonna be really fun. So you know we have to start off with Chanel number 2, my baby. I love her so much. She is the queen of the Unicorn Slime Shop. She is a really thick and glossy, bubblicious, bubblegum scented slime. Everybody really likes Chanel that I have come across, so I'm pretty sure you were going to like it as well. But you have to make sure you get to the shop early because she is the first one sold out like always. So if you want to snatch her, you gotta get there fast. Coca-Cola is a new slime to the shop. This one is really fun. I love all of the add-ins to it. So it is basically just a clear Coca-Cola scented slime. It smells so good, just like the soda. I also added in some sugar beads for texture and to kind of represent ice or even like fizzy bubbles at the top of your soda. I just really love the texture that it gives. It's not like a full-on sugar slime. However, there is some of those sugar beads to give it a little bit of texture, and I just really like it. Candy Corn Oreo is back after a long rest, and I am so excited. I honestly forgot how much I love this slime. You all have been begging me to bring it back, so I decided to go ahead and do that. This one used to be one of my best sellers along with Chanel, like during the fall time. However, I just thought because fall, you know, it's not that season anymore, I shouldn't probably stock this slime, but you all always ask me for this, so I decided to go ahead and do that. If you all want me to make this a regular, you gotta let me know in the comment section down below. I am in love with the new recipe. It is new and improved, so it is thicker, it is glossier. I just love it so much. If you're not familiar with Candy Corn Oreo, it is basically a slime that is scented just like its name, like Candy Corn Oreos, and it's everything to me. It is a half floam, so there are some flown beads in there to give it a little bit of texture and crunch. I just really like it. There are also some black sprinkles in here to kind of represent, you know, crushed up Oreo pieces. I just really like this slime. You all seem to love it as well, so I hope that you like it this time. It's even thicker now, and I just really enjoy it. Now, because we brought Candy Corn Oreo back, you know I had to bring back Birthday Cake Oreo, which was like my second bestseller in the Oreo collection. I had a bunch of Oreo slimes, by the way. If you want an Oreo restock, let a brother know. This one is so good. It smells just like its name. Birthday Cake Oreo has the same texture as the Candy Corn Oreo. This one, the only difference is it has the rainbow foam beads added into it, and there are also some rainbow sprinkles in there as well that float down to the bottom, along with the black glitters in there to represent the crushed up Oreo pieces. I really hope that all of my OG unicorns love the throwback to the Oreo collection. I am super excited to have them back, and if you want them to be regulars, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will do that. Red Velvet Buttercream is a red velvet scented buttercream slime. If you're not familiar by now, I am going to explain it. I think I'm going to stop explaining it because I've been restocking them for quite some time, but this will probably be one of the last time unless you all ask me to explain it. Buttercream slime is basically the mixture of a butter slime and a cloud cream like mashed together. It's so good. Definitely very sizzly and spreadable. Everything that you love in both a butter slime and a cloud cream. The buttercream slimes tend to do very well in the shop, so definitely make sure you get there early, and if you want more buttercream slimes, let me know in the comment section down below as well. Unicorn Pop-Tart is arguably my favorite slime this restock, question mark? I'm not too sure. I really love it, and I would probably say that it's my favorite, but we have so many good slimes that honestly it's so hard to choose right now. This one is a Wildberry Pop-Tart scented half foam as well. This one has a really nice thick and glossy base to it as well, similar to the Oreo slimes. However, this one is scented differently, and it also has some large and small foam beads in it, as well as some glitters that are thrown in and unicorn skins just to make it very unicorn-like. I really love it. It smells exactly like a Wildberry Pop-Tart. Has me so shook, and I just really like it. I have no other words. Spot Crunch is new to the shop as well. This one here is cucumber melon scented, and it is jam-packed full of these marshmallow foam beads that give you a great crunch. If you are somebody who just likes to sit there with a nice slime and just crunch it and get good bubble pops all day, this one's definitely for you, and it's very soothing. The cucumber melon scent is reminiscent of the Bath & Body Works line, and it's just really good. Now on to the squishies that you could possibly get. I am super excited to show you all these. I want to give a huge thanks to Smushy Mushy for sending me these. These are super cute. So first of all, if you want to learn how to get these, basically all you have to do is order 5 or more slimes and you could be entered in to get one of these extras. This is obviously only going to last as long as these supplies last, so I'm going to choose completely random between unicorn experiences. That is what I call my orders of 5 or more. So you could possibly get in your order some pins or like stickers. You can also get some squishies that are shaped as ice cream cones. There's this blue one here that's super cute. They also have different colors, and there are squishies inside of them. So it's like a hard exterior, but there's squishies inside, and I just think they're so cute. There's this mint chip one right here. There's this little bubblegum pink one here that kind of reminds me of Chanel, to be honest. And then they also have this purple one here that I'm really obsessed with as well. Just gives me total unicorn vibes. They also included some mini squishies as well that I'm also going to give away in unicorn experience packages, so definitely make sure you get an order of 5 or more to be entered. The thing that I love about all of these squishies here are they're tied to like keychains, so you can take these on the go. You can put them on your backpack, put them on your keys, and you can take them with you for a quick stress relief anywhere you go. If you want to learn more about Squishy Mushy, then make sure you go ahead and check them out in the description box down below. I have links to their social medias and their website. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this restock. I really hope you all like it and that you found something that you would like to purchase. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!